Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning social media profile picture using Canva. Whether you're refreshing your online presence or making a brand new profile, having a polished image can make all the difference. First, open Canva on your computer or mobile device. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, head to the search bar and type in social media profile picture. Canva will bring up a variety of ready-made templates designed specifically for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. Take some time to browse the options. You'll find everything from minimalist styles to bold and creative designs. Pick one that feels closest to the vibe you want to project, whether that's personal or professional. When you found one, click on Customize this template. This opens the Canva editor where you can start tailoring the design. You can change colors, fonts, and add extra elements to make it unique to you. Next, upload your own photo. On the left-hand side, click on Uploads, then add your chosen picture from your device. Once it's uploaded, drag and drop it onto the existing image in the template. It will snap right into place. Resize and position your photo so it fits perfectly within the layout. If needed, use the adjustment tools to tweak brightness, contrast, or saturation so it blends seamlessly with the overall design. When you're happy with how it looks, click the download button at the top right. For social media, JPG is usually the best format. Save it to your device, and you're ready to update your profile across all your accounts. And that's it. You've just created a professional looking social media profile picture in Canva in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching and enjoy showing off your new look online.